How to fix Star Citizen error code 15008/16008. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Relaunch the game without closing the launcher. 3. Update your launcher via the official download page at https://robertspaceindustries.com/download. 4. Update GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Check for server outages via the RSI status update page at https://status.robertspaceindustries.com. 6. Whitelist Star Citizen.exe in your firewall and antivirus. Like this. 7. Check your internet connection. Hint, consider using a wired connection. 8. Check your Windows hosts file at c:\windows\system32\drivers\etc 9. Try connecting to PTU. Public Test Universe, servers.